Dear partners, well-wishers and friends, on behalf of Manjeen and its producer partner members, I, Jayashree, being the chairperson of the organization, took this privileged opportunity to send our warmest greeting to all of you from India. Hi friends, hello. It was very unfortunate to miss out this fabulous opportunity to be with all of you today due to some unavoidable commitments. But surely I will be visiting Austria this year in May and hope to meet you all. I'm very sorry Martin and Regina for my absence. I wish you all an enjoyable great show and please accept my heartiest good wishes and warm regards with this video message. Manjeen is a fair trade marketing organization started a little more than a decade to provide a single platform to artisans community in marketing their products. Apart from providing the inputs on market trends, financial support and safeguards on trading front, we are also committed for their social upliftment while raising awareness on health issues, education, fair trade, empowerment and development on social front. We work with different artisan groups, extended families and cooperative societies. Manjeen works to improve the living standard of artisans through empowerment and regular income generation. We establish a long-term working relationship to enable them to grow further. Our mission statement to ensure socio-economic sustainability of artisans, craftsmen, their community and bring just and fair trade in the process to eliminate poverty and uplift artisans' quality of life. Manjeen uses fair trade as a tool to bring changes in the contemporary trade system by providing multiple opportunities to artisans and their communities to develop their socio-economic condition for a better life and a brighter future. I took this opportunity in thanking the board of Weltladenbad Shalabad for their kind support extended to Manjeen to fund some of our community development and capacity building projects to benefit artisans and their families. With the help of these funds, we were able to distribute water purifiers to our artisans. These purifiers were distributed on Manjeen's Decade celebration on 4th February this year by our honorable guest Dr. Catherine Howe from Tradecraft UK. I request you kindly have a look on the video from our function.
श्री जी वहाँ पे करीब हर साल जाती हैं और अपने प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करने की कोशिश करती हैं और बहुत हद तक हम कामयाब हैं अपने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए। इन लोगों ने तो उन्होंने हमसे मशवरा किया था कि भाई क्या होना चाहिए। मैंने कहा प्यूरिफायर है ये पानी को जो बगैर बिजली के पानी को छान करके साफ करता है और ये प्यूरिफायर करीब 3000 लीटर जो है इसका फिल्टर काम करेगा और उसके बाद आपको 250 रुपए खर्च करने पड़ेंगे उसके फिल्टर को बदलने के लिए। उसमें एक इंडिकेटर लगा हुआ है जो ये बताता है कि फिल्टर अब खराब हो चुका है, अब उसके अंदर साफ करने की ताकत नहीं है, तो उस वक्त जो है बाजार से आप उस फिल्टर को खरीद करके चेंज कर सकते हैं। अब मुझे नहीं पता कि ये कहाँ तक उपयोगी है, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये बहुत काम की चीज है।
ये अच्छा है वैसे। और इसके अंदर एक कैंडल होता है जो वो कैंडल
नहीं कैंडल नहीं है, कैंडल वाला नहीं है,
इसके अंदर नहीं है
जी, कैंडल वाला नहीं है। धीरे धीरे वो करके वो साफ हो जाएगा। ये एक हम लोग अपने घर में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अच्छा है और मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब लोग इसको पसंद करेंगे। सब मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ये अंग्रेजी में पढ़ना चाहूंगा। uh, enable them to use possible clean and hygienic drinking water at their workplace. This has been possible with the contribution and financial assistance from Bashalabad with Laden, Austria. We sincerely thank Mr. Martin Kunz and board members of Bashalabad with Laden for choosing Manjin as their partners in artisans a clean and safe drinking water and protect them from any waterborne diseases. We are pleased to ask इधर सामने बारसोई आर्टिजन्स 1 की तरफ से जाहिद साहब प्लीज.
और नाम इधर का ना.
अच्छा ठीक. बारसोई आर्टिजन्स 2 की तरफ से सनम. बारसोई आर्टिजन्स के हमारे दोस्त अंसार साहब, खिवई ग्राम दस्तकार समिति, मंजीन की हमारी साथी पूनम, मंजीन की हमारी साथी वर्षा, लाख आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट से तनवीर. अच्छा अकबर चलो ठीक से कोई बात नहीं. We also need one मिलके अपनी छोटी सी जमीन के ऊपर.
Thank you very much for your patience, ladies and gentlemen. Another project for a sanitized washroom for the Women Cooperative Society from the village of Khewai, Gram Dastka Samiti. The society has 12 women members and it's managed by themselves. It was a challenging task to bring these young women who got early marriage and by the time they reach the age of 20 or 22, they have 3 or 4 kids normally and have lost their identity in the process of making families. It took lots of time in bringing their confidence in them. Now they believe in themselves. With the financial support of Weltladen Badshalabak, we are building a new and stylish washroom for this group. It was needed as the village has very poor sanitation. So it will be an exemplary work even for others to follow. Once again, we sincerely thank you for being an integral part of making a difference. Our next project is to establish an electroplating plant for our metal costume jewelry artisans. This will benefit 27-30 direct artisan members and their families. This is a very ambitious project, but we are very confident. On completion of this project, this will be a capacity building program for the artisans to make their products of higher quality and would be able to market them easily with this USP. This will help them for a regular enhanced income generation. We wish and hope the objectives are met after the projects becomes functional. Once again, I thank the board member of Weltladen Badshalabak, generous and honorable guest at this function. I am immensely privileged for this opportunity to showcase Manjin at this function. I thank you all for listening me. although it is through video, but trust me, I'm feeling my presence there. Thank you, Regina. Thank you, Martin. Have a great time. Bye.